If you or anyone you know is experiencing occasional joint discomfort, then listen up, because according to new Harvard research, joint decay may have nothing to do with so-called wear and tear, despite what your doctor or the mainstream media might have told you. Instead, according to the latest studies, the real secret to maintaining healthy, comfortable, and flexible joints as you age lies in what scientists now refer to as your protective joint jello. Joint jello is a term that leading joint health experts have given to synovial fluid. Synovial fluid is the thick and gloopy liquid that sits in your joint cavity and lubricates and cushions your joints, nourishes your cartilage tissue, and guards against an unhealthy inflammatory response. More and more experts now agree that keeping your joint jello thick and healthy is the real secret to maintaining youthful joint function. The problem is, as you age, your joint jello begins to produce less of a critical molecule that keeps it healthy, which causes this naturally thick fluid to thin and dry out and lose its joint protecting qualities. This molecule is called hyaluronan. Hyaluronan is now deemed so important that world-leading joint health expert Dr. J.R. Levick of St. George's Hospital Medical School at the University of London has dubbed it the guardian of your joints and their key protective agent. The good news is there's now a quick and simple way to support and replenish your lost hyaluronan stores. It's an advanced and patented ingredient called Mobilee. After being rigorously tested in 14 randomized, placebo-controlled, and double-blind clinical studies, which is the gold standard of clinical trials, an 80 milligram dosage of Mobilee has been shown to multiply hyaluronan levels in the joints by a factor of 10, allowing you to thicken up your joint jello so you can lubricate and cushion your joints, nourish your cartilage tissues, and promote a healthy inflammatory response. In multiple studies, supplementing with 80 milligrams of Mobilee each day resulted in continuous improvements in joint comfort, physical function, flexion and extension, as well as muscle aches, muscular strength, and quality of life. That's why our team here at BioDynamix has created Joint Genesis. It delivers an 80 milligram serving of Mobilee in every capsule, which is further boosted with a doctor-formulated blend of other research-backed joint health ingredients, making Joint Genesis the most effective way to keep your joint jello thick and healthy so you can enjoy comfortable and flexible joints for the long term.